Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, heated seats, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, air conditioning, hands-free link system, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.